So today is the day, guys. I'm going to do an unboxing on my new deck. We're going to put it together. I'm going to talk a little bit about my setup. Let's go ahead and jump into this. So a few of the tools that we're going to need today: Phillips screwdriver, have my drill and socket, razor blade, and some spray paint. Or you can just use a skate tool, knife, something like that. I'm going to go ahead and get the trucks off of the old deck. We'll do an unboxing and then we will start building the new one. So I ordered this new deck from Skate Warehouse. Let's go ahead and open it up, see how she looks. I'm very excited about this new deck. Some grip tape. So I got a flight deck. This is the 9-inch wide purple foil Powell Peralta flight deck. Has a pretty medium mellow concave on it. It is a little bit thinner than my old deck. Let's open this bad boy up and get it set up. The reason I decided to purchase this deck over a standard deck is because I snapped my board within, I don't know, 3.5, 4 months of getting back into skating in my 30s. And I feel like at the progression rate, if I snap another deck within the next year, I might as well have paid a few extra bucks to get this. This one costs about $100 with the grip tape, about 110. Pretty cool graphic, the skeleton on there. Flight deck, Powell Peralta, 9-inch wide model. I figure if it's a possibility that I even snap a deck a year, I might as well have purchased this. Blank decks cost about 40 to 60 bucks plus shipping. This thing costs $100, so you do the math. Let's go. So before I put the grip tape on this deck, I'm going to do just a minor customization on it. Yako, baby. CCS and Zoomies catalogs on the toolbox here. Got some hookup stickers, pictures of the family, and my little Hot Wheels. Yes, I am a man-child. All right, spray paint looks dry. Let's put some grip on there. I have never gripped my own deck before, so hopefully it turns out all right. Growing up, I always skated Walmart decks. I actually didn't get my first pro deck until I was about 15. Some 20-year-old dude at the skate park when I was a teenager saw me skating my Walmart board. He gave me a flip deck, complete with wheels, trucks, all that. And from then on, I skated that for years until I started longboarding. All right, so I just rubbed the edges with the screwdriver shaft there. Got it all folded down. Get the edges nice and sealed. And now bust out the razor blade and cut excess trim off of there. And then we'll get some trucks on this deck. Maybe I should have done this on the ground. Got my toolbox all dirty. There she is. Punch these screws through. Don't lose it like I almost did. I'm excited to skate this. Will not be able to skate it outside today because it is freezing cold and wet. But I would say not too bad for first time gripping my own deck. Imperfections, but it went pretty smoothly. Yako Bako. Thank you all for watching. Tune in hopefully this weekend. It's supposed to be some nicer weather. Get out to the skate park and test this bad boy out. For now, maybe I'll just do a ollie at work in the shop here. Nice. Did the unboxing and the reveal of my new setup, my new deck. Once again, it's the 9-inch wide purple foil Powell Peralta flight deck. I went with clear mob grip tape on there. Did a little customization, wrote Yako on there with some primer spray paint. Went back with my old hardware and everything from the old deck. So these are my Ace F1 trucks, 9-inch wide. Spitfire Formula 4s, 97 Duro, 58 millimeter, larger wheel on this. So I do have the Thunder risers, and then I have the Bones Reds bearings in there. Thank you guys for watching. I don't think I did too bad of a job. First time gripping my own deck. Hope you guys tune in here in a few days to check out how it looks when I skate it, and I'll talk about how it feels. Thanks for watching. Have a good morning.